Thank you, Bloom Ladybug. What is my love language? Weird because before, is it possible that your love language is all? Or may mga ano ako top, like example, this one first. Kasi dati, di ba love language is, by that, do you mean like ako, from me to others? Yun gusto ko ibigay. My love language is ano, before acts of service and quality time. Pero ngayon, that's all. I like ano, words of affirmation. Like, lately, sobrang words of affirmation ako. Like, I don't know, because I feel like it's better to say it than, just leave it in your world of thoughts and then, wala, sayang, when you could have said that. And, yeah, for me kasi, iba pa rin yung words. Even if, sure, actions speak louder than words. That's why before, ano talaga yung love language ko, quality time or acts of service, kasi I feel like, yun nga, actions speak louder than words. But, it's also nice to hear some nice things every now and then. So, I like giving words of affirmation, and then I like spoiling. Yeah, I like spoiling. I like giving gifts. Because wala lang, I like, example, like I wanna buy clothes and then give it to you, and then I'm spoiling you in that way. But it makes me happy, like, especially example, if you wear the clothes that I got you. Tapos parang, in a way, I get to be happy. I get to make you happy because I get to give you a gift, and I get to be happy because I see you wear that gift. Parang ganun, parang win-win situation. Yeah. Wait, ilan ba yung ano? Oh! Physical touch? Siguro yung least ko is physical touch. Yeah. Kasi parang, wala lang. Ano kasi ako parang, maano ako, parang, I always think a lot if, am I allowed to hug this person, to like, touch this person, ganun. Or, parang, ewan ko, it's so hard for me to be clingy, like, physically with someone, because I always try to think na, okay, personal space, maybe they don't like it. Like, I'm always almost the last person to initiate a hug. Like, kahit mo ano, I hope they don't find me arte or snob or something. Like, example, may mga kita na ako na kilala, or wala, like example, may pagpupunta sa work, or tapos may mga kilalang mga staff or mga nakatrabaho namin, tapos yung iba parang diba, yung iba parang nag-best or nag-hug. Ako parang, oh my God, can I hug? Am I allowed to hug? Like, is this safe? Is this respectful? Parang ganon. That's why, like, I hug if they engage, initiate. Ganon. Kasi parang, I don't wanna, as in ganon. Ayoko kasi parang, wait, am I too much? Yeah. Yun talaga, like, example, feeling ko ang ma-physical touch sa amin si Maloy. Kasi parang, siya very clingy siya. Like, kaya niyang i-hug, yung mga pero hindi yung, parang yung parang casual lang, na friendly, ganun. Pero ako kasi parang, oh my God, woo! Ganun. Kahit mga best friends ko before, parang, wait, am I allowed to hug? Alam mo yun? Si Guanay din, physical touch, bigla lang, yung gumaganon yan. Colette is acts of service, tama. Sino ba? Si Sheena, ano ba si Sheena? Quality time. Quality time. Si Sheena, feeling ko. Kasi ano eh, si Sheena, game siya with anything. Yeah. I don't know if I'm not mistaken. Hi, Macario. Thank you. Sino pa ba? Sheena. Si Joanna. Ano ba kay Jo? Hindi ko alam, pero I don't know if anong number one sa kanya. Si Jo, words siguro, or acts of Barda. Yung affirmation, mga words of affirmation si Jo. Kasi si Jo yung maano eh, yung parang ang dali niyang maglabas ng mga masamang words. Ay, charot! Hindi. Ano, Ate Angie, thank you. Hindi, parang si Jo yung hindi nahihiya na magsabi, mag-encourage, yun. Siya yung parang, alam mo yung nanay na parang, oh, gawin mo to, galingan mo sa ganito, kaya mo yan kasi ganito. She's that type of person. Yeah, supportive siya sa words. Motivator, ganon. Si Stacy, actually, physical tsaka words. To Joanna. Negative kind. Physical abuse. Charot lang. Anong pakista ako? Di ako sure ha sa lahat, pero guess ko lang. Ano ba pakista ko? Feeling ko quality time ba? Physical education, PE. Kasi before, like, yung nasa Bini House, kami kasi lagi magka-bonding ni Stako. If, example, after training, tapos mag-message siya sa akin, ate, ay, magano tayo, ganito tayo, ganyan. Paint tayo, ganon. Yun. Yeah. si Mika, kainis side eye. Ano bang ni Mika? What is Mika's love language? Yes, acts of service. Yun talaga. Mika's always the person who opens the door, who tries to let everyone pass through, while she is nagpapaiwan siya kasi she's always the one holding the door for everyone kahit siya yung unang dumaan. Siya yung parang inaayos yung makeup if may something or yung damit pag hindi na maayos, ganun. Yung mga little things, ayun, that's very Mika. Yung mga little things na, yeah, that's her love language. Acts of service. Yeah.